The economic fallout from the Middle East conflict is hitting consumers hard as a global oil supply shock drives energy costs to multi-year highs. Gasoline prices in the United States have surged past $4 a gallon for the first time since 2022. International benchmark Brent crude oil has jumped more than 50%, putting it on pace for a record monthly gain. This massive price spike is largely due to halted tanker traffic through the Strait of Hormuz, a vital waterway for global oil exports. Analysts warn that these soaring fuel costs will likely ignite additional inflation across the global economy. The global metals market is facing severe supply disruptions after weekend drone strikes on two major Middle Eastern aluminum producers. Aluminum futures on the London Metal Exchange recently surged by more than 5%, reaching price levels not seen since 2022. Analysts warn that these attacks on facilities in the Gulf, which supply about 9% of the world's aluminum, could send shockwaves through the industry. With shipping routes already restricted, experts say the disruption could push the global market into a significant deficit this year. This could lead to higher costs for essential goods like electronics, solar panels, and construction materials worldwide. Global stock markets are experiencing significant volatility as oil prices continue to climb amid ongoing uncertainty in the Middle East. The Standard & Poor's 500 index recently slipped, deepening its losses to over 9% since the conflict began. Meanwhile, benchmark United States crude oil rose past $102 a barrel. Financial experts say investors are growing cautious as they wait to see when energy exports from the Persian Gulf will resume. If disruptions continue, economists warned that rising energy costs could trigger a new wave of global inflation, which might prompt central banks to raise interest rates.